Is it tight?
Yep, it's tight. See, this is why I need more subscribers for the channel, so that way, you know, I can get that ad revenue. No, I'm just kidding. But just that way I get sponsors. You guys need to help me get that. If you want better content, no, I'm just kidding. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy, BZ Rider, coming at you back with, yet again, another video. Since we are finally at 100 subscribers now, as I promised you guys, we'll be doing a giveaway. I will be giving away one of these intakes to a subscriber. As you saw from my last video, I installed some coilovers on the Z. If you haven't checked that video out, make sure that you do check it out. The rear coilovers, I need to adjust them still because they were having that clunking noise like I was talking about. I disassembled the rear and got the driver side to stop doing it, but now the passenger side is doing it now. So now I know that it's something that I'm doing.
Show them what it sounds like really quick. I'll take that.
Okay.
Here you go. Show them what it sounds like, because it doesn't sound good.
Right, it does not sound good. So, right now the suspension is still loose back here. I haven't tightened up all the bolts or anything. But you're just gonna hear a bunch of like, bing, boom, boom, no. So, real quick, my bro who's behind the camera, you guys see him before in a couple videos. He is the owner of the 600 horsepower Evo. I'll leave a link to his page also.
Yeah, sub to my channel, please.
Right, definitely sub to his channel. He's got some really cool stuff. He's in town right now because your boy's getting married, so he's helping me out with the wedding.
My man is throwing his life away, okay? So he's getting tied down. He's doing what I told him not to do. Actually, I'm married as well, so it is what it is. But
like, cause this is the side that was doing it, but like I said, a lot of the suspension bolts are loose right now. Yeah, I
sounds
feel,
sus, bro.
Yeah, I feel like I still need to adjust that.
Yeah, so
We'll do it first.
all right, bet.
So this is where shit gets stepped.
Why not just stack them flat? Why are you doing it that way?
It won't go up high enough.
Oh, okay.
I don't have enough wood.
Oh, okay. That's what she said. Stance cars, if it's your thing, that's cool, but I'm just not a huge fan of stance cars. So.
We like going fast.
Yes, definitely. We like to go fast, like Ricky Bobby.
If you're not first, you're last. I guess I shouldn't have got a 350Z if I want to be fast.
I mean, you said it, not me. I'm just... He comes to pick me up from the airport, and somebody hit his daily driver. Somebody hits his escape over there, which I felt bad or whatever, but I'm like, man, sucks to suck. And
I'm just glad it wasn't the Z.
Yeah.
I was going to drive the Z, but luckily I didn't, and everything wasn't together yet.
Yeah.
But if they would have hit the Z, like, I would have been in jail. Alright, guys. Next moment.
Give it a little shake, a little shaky shake.
Alright.
Definitely still making the noise. Not sure what that could be.
Unfortunately, right now, I still don't know what's up with the coilovers. I tightened everything down. Everything is the same length on both sides, so I'll probably mess around with this some more. Hopefully I can get it fixed. If you guys have any suggestions, let me know, like drop them down. I can get you guys' inputs on what you think it may be. We're gonna go ahead and get into the original portion of this video, which is gonna be installing this intake. I saw another YouTuber install an intake on his G35. I wanna keep on saying 350Z, but on his G35. So I looked to see if they had those intakes as well, but they did not. They were actually all sold out on Amazon. I went to the next best option, which was eBay, and looked on there, and they had pretty much the same one. So I went ahead and purchased one. We'll go ahead and do an unboxing video of it first, and then we'll start the install.
Perfect. That's gonna cost you about 0.001 horsepower right there, brother.
Right, or who knows, it could like flip the power in or something.
Right. We're scientists, if you guys didn't know that.
Exactly.
Overall, it's not horrible, but they need somebody better on the quality control end of things.
Right. Like we pretty much already said, quality control could have been a lot better from it, but it's nothing horrible. Like, nothing is broken. The things that need to be cleaned out, it's nothing too major. And then I could just use like some But then I could just use like some pliers and stuff just to straighten out where that pipe is bent. I guess you guys need to see what it looks like. So let me go ahead and pop the hood and then give you guys a couple revs of it just to hear what the factory intake sounds like. And then I'm sure it'll probably be louder with this one. Guys, like I was talking about, here's the JWT pop charger. Also guys, I do have the larger 75mm throttle body on here. I did a video on that as well, so make sure you guys check that out. The only thing that we'll really need to do, it should be relatively easy. Just kind of copy how the factory intake is, and then there's only 2 other pipes. Figure out which way they go, which shouldn't be difficult, and replace the hose that goes underneath the intake to the breather, wherever that is. Alright guys, so a little bit bad news, but it's nothing too major. Like I already had predicted, the couplers that come with this kit, they're not going to be able to fit on the 75mm throttle body. So I'll have to order a reducing coupler that will go from 3" to 2.5. Good things always come to those who wait. Sometimes, you know, step forward, you got to take a couple steps back, then slingshot. This intake does not come with instructions, so I'm going to use this video as kind of like a tutorial and instructional guide. Here it is. I mean, this thing's like almost maxed out on this worm clamp. It ain't going nowhere. It seems pretty secure. So there's a shorter side and a longer side to this portion here. What I did was flip around. That way the longer side is down here. And that's kind of putting it at a better angle. Up here, the longer side is down there. And it seems like the fitment is better. But there's a part of the frame where the air filter was hitting. And I felt like that will eventually rub through that cone filter. Like I said, this is going to be my giveaway video. I do plan on giving away one of these intake kits to one of my lucky subscribers. So real quick, the rules for the giveaway: in order to win one of these intakes, you have to subscribe to the channel, #1, and then comment on this video. Follow me on Instagram at BZRider. Yeah, that's all you guys gotta do. It's that simple, that easy. This intake was not terribly difficult to install, but that's why I wanted to do this video here mainly as a tutorial for you guys. It kind of cleans up this area of the engine bay now. It's just the couplers being different color right here. It's bothering me, but I like how it frees up this area of the engine now. Like, it doesn't have such like bulky air filter right there or whatever. I think this looks a little bit better. I'm just gonna close this video out with me just doing some test driving on it and kind of my initial reaction to it. Hopefully you guys found this video informative. But if you guys are looking forward to seeing more Z content or car content in general, make sure that you subscribe to the channel and hit that bell notification. That way you guys, you know, get updates and stuff like that when your boy posts videos. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.
little dig action.